Hey everybody, here's an update on the D-Day group build. This one I actually ain't gonna get done in time. I did not really realize how big of a kit this was and how much detail there is to it. And instead of rushing it and not getting it as good as I would like, I'm just gonna keep on working on it, but I'm not gonna meet the deadline. So here is a little overview of where I'm at so far. I got everything in color, and there's a couple of the guys on there. There's 25 of the soldiers, and then there's 3 crewmen. And the soldiers really take up a lot of time. I think there's like, when you're all said and done, there's like 20 parts that go to them, and all the hand painting and all that stuff like that. So there's quite a few of them. Let me just go over the ship so far, and I'll show you all the guys I got so far. But on the ship, I still have the decals to do. I airbrushed the whole thing. I did. There's 2 different colors on here that kind of fade in and out in places. So it has the 2 30 cal guns. I got the captain or pilot or whatever they call them, and these ones there. And a view from down the end. You can kind of see I've got a little bit darker on those. I'm going to do a lot of weathering, not heavy weathering, but you know, little details here and there. So that is going to take some time. This rope actually goes all the way around, all the way down to the bottom, and then comes out in the mechanism on the side. It's all super glued down because I've super glued this all in, but it does actually route all the way down. So they do have it in a method that you could loosen it up and actually lower it and raise that, but I have mine glued in. And there's the front of it. Let's see. Right there you can see the wires or the cable, and they both come through. One will actually come up, one will come down, go underneath, and then come up and over. Right there, this is glued in on mine, but you could take it out and put it here for down. There is the winch for raising it back up. So you'd actually have a 4-man crew. There was an engineer, there was a gunner, the captain, and then a hoist man. And the hoist man would actually walk up here and walk to the front and do the latches, and then walk back, and then when they're leaving, you'd ratchet that back up. And before they would actually breach the ground, the gate was supposed to be down, because they can actually drive it with the gate down. So, since he's loose, I still have to do some work on it, 30 cals. But you can see there's bullets in there, all that need cleaned up a little bit. They still tilt a little. Well, this one don't, no more, but that one does. Don't worry about when the guys come in play. Underneath, I have to still do a lot of painting on this. So there's some touch up on that. But I still got the ropes to do. I'm going to do some weathering on top. But there's that. here is just one of my guys. But he is one that's going to have the Tommy gun, I think, with those magazine holders, and then he's got an ammo box. I have a lot of touching up to do on all of them. But that is one of them. There's 25 of these guys. That takes some serious time. Here's a bundle of them. And then to try to do them all different and everything. Those ones need a little bit more washes and all that. Oh, those have a long way to go. Still have all their guns to paint and bayonets and all kinds of other stuff. So I still got a ways to go on that. Those have to be done on the side. I got them painted up pretty good. So just got to do a wash on that. And I still got to do the decals yet. So quite a bit left to go. I kind of feel bad that I didn't get this one done. A lot of stuff going on. But got it to a good point. I thought I was going to get it done, but ain't happening because today is the 5th. It's about 10:41 at night. So I'm going to edit this real quick and I'm going to bed. So you guys have a good one, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.